Introducing LifeVantage, the fastest growing company you've never heard of. We're a publicly traded NASDAQ company that has grown from $4 million to $208 million in our first 4 years. Something huge is obviously happening here. If you had a time machine and could go back and be first in ultra-successful companies like Nike, Apple, and Microsoft, would you do it? Of course you would. I don't know about you, but those companies didn't invite me to join them. It's your turn to be first. You've just found yourself at the right place at the right time with the right people. This is your invitation to join forces with visionary entrepreneurs that are gathering here to create one of the next billion-dollar companies. Are you trading hours for dollars? Most people are. It's called linear income. Did you know that your favorite actors, authors, and musicians earn their fortunes through residual incomes? They do their work once and get paid over and over again for years to come. Imagine being paid for your efforts of yesterday and last week and last year over and over again instead of what you're going to do tomorrow. This is called leverage. It creates wealth and provides us with our most precious commodity, time. Now you can have residual income. How? Great question. Instead of teaching you to sell products, we teach you how to create relationships with people that choose to purchase products month after month, year after year, and you get paid. We are backed by extraordinary products in the booming healthy living industry. These products include groundbreaking patented technologies that represent enormous profit potential. Best of all, our system works. LifeVantage published the incomes of their distributors to be transparent to the world. A lot of people are already making a lot of money. Take a look at one of the middle ranks of Pro 6 with an average income of over $5,000 per month. That's enough to make a pretty big impact on most people's lives. But there is no cap or a limit to your income potential here. The Pro 10 incomes are already in the range of $50,000 to $160,000 per month. That's more than most people earn in an entire year. I'm curious, do you think just maybe you could squeak by in $100 grand per month? Of course, there is an investment to get started. That's a general rule of business. But unlike most businesses, it only takes $1,000 to launch your business and maximize your income potential. Where else can you start a business for $1,000 and earn over $100,000 per month? Here, with us, it's all about teamwork. When you become our business partner, we immediately focus on helping you get a quick return on investment so you can move on to freedom-level incomes. Can you do this? The answer is yes. You simply do what the person that invited you has done. Think about it. They are leveraging the system and the team, which is exactly what you will be doing. You cannot unring the bell. You now know what you know. It's up to you to decide what your future looks like. 98% of people give up on their dreams and go to work for the 2% that didn't. Contact the person that shared this video with you and get your business launched today. Welcome to the LifeVantage family.